In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SEO for your Wix website in 2025. Whether you're running a blog, a business site, or an online store, optimizing your site for search engines is key to getting traffic. First, log into your Wix account and go to your site dashboard. On the left side bar, click on Marketing and SEO. Then click on SEO Tools. Wix offers a built-in SEO setup checklist perfect for beginners. Click Get Found on Google, and Wix will walk you through step-by-step tasks like setting your site name and homepage title. Step 3. Next, go to your page in the site editor. Click the 3 dots next to the page and choose SEO Basics. Here you'll want to update the page title. Make sure you keep it clear and keyword rich. Meta description. Summarize what the page is about in 1 to 2 sentences. Repeat this for all your key pages like your homepage, about page, services, or blog posts. Don't forget your images. Click on any image. Go to settings and add alt text describing what the image shows. This helps with both accessibility and Google image search. Last but not least, go back to SEO tools and click site verification. Wix makes it easy to connect to Google's search console. Click Connect Google. Follow the prompts and submit your site map. Now Google will start indexing your site and showing it in search results. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.